Today, I will show you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. Let's start. Changing our WhatsApp profile picture is quite simple and something we won't have trouble doing. To do this, open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, click the three dots in the top right and then open Settings. We've opened Settings. From these options, we need to click our profile picture. Click on it and then click Edit. Here we have three different options. If we want to choose a photo from our gallery, we click Gallery. After doing this, we select the photo we want from our gallery. After selecting the photo, adjust the size and click Done. As you can see, we've changed our profile picture. You can also change your WhatsApp profile picture by following these steps. We've come to the end of the video. In this video, I showed how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful and you were able to change your profile picture. If the video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.